right, so we are here to buy a iPhone 13. I believe we are here. Hey, what's up? Are you guys for the iPhone 13?
Yeah, man, that's it.
What's up? Pleasure.
iPhone 13.
All right, can I see?
So this is it.
Okay. And it is unlocked, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's unlocked.
Okay, so it looks pretty good. Let's check the normal check. Sure, do that. Old Beamer. Camera's good. 128. It's unlocked. No SIM restriction. Perfect. Battery. 86. Okay.
Are
You
you?
guys gonna get McDonald's?
I haven't had it in so long.